Good morning mga boss. So happy Friday to everyone. So right now papunta na ulit ako sa first client ko. So as you can see guys, paulit-ulit na nangyayari sa akin everyday. Pero ito yung sistema na sarap sa feeling pag natapos mo yung araw. Kahit medyo nakakapagod. By the way, punta na tayo sa first client ko. Let's go. Samahan nyo ulit ako sa buong maghapon na to.
You can use it with you with higher quality.
Most Mother's Day gifts end up in a drawer, but wants to celebrate 1 million individual ever gift. And right now, song at tryjoybox.com.
Take 20% off select limits clothing and accessories spot with up to 40% off planters, pillows, and movers, and with also fragrance trail for 30%.
Post-workout meal. Let's go. Yan ang perfect combo, Brad. Carbs and fats. Protein. Then, Jollibee kami guys. No, kayo nang happy boy. Last meal, chicken liver and rice. That's it for today. So, yun lang naman. Hindi ako nakapag-film kanina. Total of 2 clients lang tayo today. Nag-cancel yung iba kasi may lakad sila. So, yun. Lagay ko na lang ulit dito yung macros and calories. And kainin ko na itong last meal. Tomorrow is rest day. Also, pang day 25 ng cutting pace natin. Let's go.